Yoko Toshi, Shitemi Waza. Miyoko is side. Otoshi means to drop big. This is a beautiful throw. You don't see a lot of these Shitemi Waza because everybody wants the big throws. My imaginary partner's here. I'm going to step in just like that. The Kazushi part is I want him to go that way. 1, 2. You're looking that way because that's where you want to throw him. So watch, he's gonna come in 1, 2, and then drop. 1, 2, and then drop. Now, notice how the Kazushi is all together that way. It looks like Ukiwaza. Ukiwaza, notice he's gonna go on a 45, and the Kazushi is that way. But he's doing Yoko Otoshi, so the Kazushi is that way. So it's the same process. He catches here. And then I go this way here. It's a dangerous throw. When he throws me, you notice what happens here? My shoulder is going down. When they come in, you're down here, right? And just go ahead and roll. 1, 2, see? 1, 2, here. 1, 2. So you notice my small toe, my heel's up, and you notice I'm on the ball of my foot here? What happens a lot of times is people come this way here, and then it ends up being an ukiwaza. You notice how this foot steps in, it's straight. It's not turning this way or this way. It's straight. Pow! It's straight, but when I turn, you notice how it kind of changes the direction a little bit? So you notice it doesn't come out here. If it comes out here, it's going to become ukiwaza. As I slide down, the side of his ankle will be encased by the bend of my knee. The power comes from 1, and then this shoots in. So you watch my right knee. 1, you see how it drops down? I don't sit back. I drop straight down like a rock. Don't try to lean back. A lot of people come in here, right, and then they lean back like that. No, from here, and then just drop straight down. So I'll show you how to practice. Here, you see how I am? See how I squat down and he can finish? See there? And if I can do it, you can do it. Watch here. Yep. Now watch now. Here. See? Just by dipping my head, I lose my balance. So here. Here. Did you see it? No, you didn't. You didn't see this part. This is the most important part. See where I got here? Right in the throat, and then just pow, collapses the knee in, and then you have a Felipe. You bust the ACL. That's the goal of this particular throw, and then you drop down.
Is the throat close to the throat?
The throat. Just want to give you a little feeling of Al. Hit him in the throat, hit him in the throat, you know?
どうも